Hey guys, this is June because I was born in June. And if let's say you want to know what is inside the Blake Nubar Partnership Program, that is all about social media lead machines, what are things that you're going to learn in the Blake Nubar Partnership Program, what are things that you are going to sell in Blake Nubar Partnership Program, and my honest review about this program, remember to stay tuned to the end. All right, welcome back. So when you got into the Blake Nubar Partnership Program, you'll be taken into the membership program that Blake actually hosted in Katra. So this is how the membership is going to look like. So in this membership, you're able to see there are a lot of different modules from module 1 up until to module 8. So basically each of the module are targeted at helping you to understand what is basically you're selling. So when you join this Blake Nubar Partnership Program, what you are selling is you are getting a done for you course, right? So you're actually selling a course to teach anyone in your niche, the niche that you choose, on how to use Facebook profile in order to become like a lead machine. How do you brand your Facebook profile like all other partners in a Blake Nubar Partnership Program, and to teach others from the profile, bring the leads to the sales funnels, right? In order to get more potential clients. So this is how it works. So in actual, I have been using this strategy that is called Facebook Organic Marketing Strategies. We actually brand our Facebook profile in this manner, so that if let's say you can check it out, this is my Facebook. You can find me at facebook.com/JuneLowStory. That you will lead you to my Facebook profile. So what it teaches in the Blake Nubar Partnership Program is that teaching you how you can use a Facebook profile, right, in order to have people to click on your link, right? And then when they click on your link, they visit your website, and because you're giving them something for free, then you will exchange for like email addresses, right? So what we are selling inside the done for you social media lead machine is that the course material itself has already been done for you. So what we as the partners in the Blake Nubar Partnership Program is that we need to pick a niche that you want to sell to, and then brand the entire funnel, Blake's funnel, that is social media lead machine funnel, into your own funnel. So that is the reason why, if let's say you check it out, my funnel name is called Client Magnet Machine. All right. So this entire funnel is from Blake. Everything is done for you, except you really need to pick the niche that you want to target. All right. As well as you need to shoot the video, to change it to your own video, as well as to change the images. So what I think there is a misconception in when you are watching this webinar done by Blake in the webinar of Blake's partnership program is that in the webinar itself, I felt like Blake make it sound too easy to make sales out of it, but in actual, it is not, because a lot of hard work that you need to put in order to make other people to notice this website that you're having. So yes, you can have like a very great done for you course, the course inside, and a very great done for you sales funnel that you just need to rebrand. But if you have the best store in town, you have the best subway in your town, but you just don't really put in the effort in doing marketing, in bringing the traffic to your store, whether it's an online store or like a physical store, nobody is going to know the existence of this store, right? So if I say I don't do marketing, nobody is going to know I have this client management machine, right, for sale, okay? And nobody noticed it, you didn't do marketing, nobody noticed it, and you wouldn't actually get any single sale. It's as simple as that. So that is the reason why when you got into this partnership program, so what you're essentially buying into is that you have a done for you course that is all done for you. You need to configure and you need to brand it according to yourself, and you need to do the marketing works. So this is what you're getting when you're getting into Blake Partnership Program. So that's why it really depends on what's your mentality when you're joining this program. I personally benefit from this program because of Blake Nubar, I know how to set up a membership website, right, in using ClickFunnels. Right, previously before that, I don't know how to do all the setup, but I watched the tutorial in this Blake Nubar Partnership Program, and I know how to do everything by myself so easily by following everything. However, still the same, you can have the best funnel, but if let's say you do not put in any efforts in doing marketing, there is no traffic and you are not going to make any single sale. So I personally benefited because I turned it into I used the learning that I have in the social media lead machines in the Blake Nubar Partnership Program, and I actually make a program of my own, and it's called Amazing Challenge. So because of I have the knowledge in Blake Nubar Partnership Program, that's why I know how to set up my own funnel, my own product, where this is a 7-day amazing video challenge where whenever you join it, we have more than 200 graduates who created from 0 video to 7 videos in a week through our challenge, right? So if let's say you are interested to know more about this challenge, you can go to the website I put it down below, www.amazingchallenge.us. You guys can check it out and participate in this amazing challenge. So you guys can check it out. I am able to do that is not because I'm very smart or like that, but because I take the learning that I learned in Blake Nubar Partnership Program, and then I make a funnel of my own product. So that's why some of the partners, they don't actually make money in Blake Nubar Partnership Program for this reason, because once they watch the webinar, I felt like the webinar is a little bit exaggerating. So once you set up the funnel, you will not make money straight away. The reason is simple. If you do not do any marketing, you will not make money. So that's where I saw a lot of partners, they are struggling. They join in this program, they are not making any money. And then they keep on paying the subscription or ClickFunnels. It's because they haven't done the marketing work way in front. So this is I have a lot of partners joining me when they join under this Blake Nubar Partnership Program. My advice is this: whenever you are building the funnel according to what Blake suggested, like over here, you're going to learn the foundation, you're going to learn the mindset behind the success, why you are doing the sales funnel. While you are learning this, you also need to start doing the marketing, start collecting the email list while you are building the funnel. So the funnel of all this, it actually took me about 2 weeks working 9 to 5 in order to set it up as a beginner. As a beginner who doesn't know how to use a ClickFunnels, it took me 2 weeks. So it wasn't that simple as Blake commented, like one day you can set it up and you're going to make money. No, you're not, right? Even if let's say fastest, you're going to take at least 3 days working like 9 to 5 in order to set it up to complete all the videos. The reason is very simple. You literally need to watch one video by one video, and then some of the tasks is really about you need to watch the video, and because it's so technical, you need to watch a video, pause at the same time, just do the settings in the ClickFunnels. So that is the reason why here's the alert for you guys. If let's say you watch the webinar of Blake Nubar Partnership Program of the social media lead machines, you really need to think it through. Firstly, to me, it's not a passive income because you need to do the marketing. You need to put in the works way in front to attract people to know you as a person, for them to buy from you. So it's not a passive income. It is only a passive income if you are very great in Facebook ads, or you can hire someone who can run the ads for you, okay? But I've tested, it's not so simple. You really need a lot of budget. But let's say for someone beginner, if you want to know what is the meaning of sales funnel and how to set up a sales funnel for your own knowledge, for your own information, so that you can pivot to something that you can create a program of yourself based on the learning in the Blake Nubar Partnership Program, then this is for you. Because I personally benefited from it, where after I joined this Blake Nubar Partnership Program, I was able to create a sales funnel for my own program and to come up a own program of myself. Because prior to joining Blake Nubar Partnership Program, I didn't have this amazing challenge that I told you guys, and you guys can see that I set up pretty much neatly because of the things that I learned in the Blake Nubar Partnership Program. Okay, so my conclusion is this: if you're looking for quick bucks and you are looking to build a passive income using this Blake Nubar Partnership Program, and you have no knowledge in Facebook ads, this program is not for you. Unless you felt like you wanted to learn how to set up the sales funnel, how to use this sales funnel concept and model after Blake to roll out a program of your own. It can be using the sales funnel to sell your own product and services. Then yes, I think this is for you, right? So I hope that you guys love this honest review from me. So I have joined this Blake Nubar Partnership Program since 2020, and right now it's actually it has been a 2.5 to 3rd year that upon me joining. So I've seen so many partners have a very different misconception about this program when they don't make money. But in fact, it really depends on which perspective that you're coming from. So if let's say you've been loving this video, hope you can give me a like and hope you can give me a comment down below so that YouTube will push this video based on the algorithm to more people who already watched the Blake Nubar Partnership Program webinar about social media lead machine. And if let's say you want to know more, check out my other video about this program. And I also shared my experiments and my journey throughout this entire 2 years time. So, and I will see you in the next video then. Take care. Bye.